The Nature Biofoods Ltd strongly believe that farmers are the real heroes. They are the life of our nation and organization. They work every day and night, putting all their efforts to feed the finest organic products. And it's very heartening to see the type of efforts and work done by our farmers. We are very proud of what we have done in the past 25 years. And based on our successful journey, we at Nature Biofoods Ltd have a lot of things to say. And every time a consumer buys our product, we have a story to narrate to them. The story of trust, the story of relationship, the story of hard work, and our commitment for developing sustainable organic products. We want to tell about our product, where it comes from, how is it grown, and its impact on the ones who are producing it. Organic is not just a word for us. It's a process through which we are reconnecting people with their food, Mother Earth, nature, and most importantly, with each other. We are proud of our farmers who have now adopted an organic way of thinking and an organic way of conducting their farming operations. Our farmers weed the fields by their hands or by using a simple weeding tool. They use manures and compost to improve the yield and set traps for insects which are harmful to crops. We are working towards creating a sustainable solution for farmers, helping them in improving access to agricultural services, providing quality inputs, regular trainings and technology so that farmers can have better farm income and can live with dignity. Our technical advisors trained farmers to improve not only their profitability but also productivity. From the foothills of the Himalayas to the central and southern part of the Indian subcontinent, Mother Earth is being nourished with all the good practices of organic farming.
समय पर बीज, दवाई, ये सब कुछ हमें समय पर मिली तो हम तो खुशी रहेंगे और समय पर ही हमें इसका पेमेंट मिल जाए, उचित भाव मिल जाए, टाइम के हिसाब से मिल जाए, तो हम तो खुशी रहेंगे, फिर हम खुश क्यों नहीं रहेंगे?
Manual harvesting and threshing is followed to ensure high quality of produce. All of the produce is transported to Nature Biofoods Ltd, 100% organically certified processing facility. Each bag of organic produce is stacked to keep the identity of origin and quality all through the processing till the finished product. We ensure the complete traceability in the process for our consumers. Random samples of organic crops are tested in the laboratory. The whole system emphasizes on careful processing methods in order to maintain organic integrity and vital qualities of the product at all stages. We have a state-of-the-art processing unit equipped with color sorter, a metal detector and an X-ray scanner. We provide cold treatment and carbon dioxide pressure treatment to protect against any kind of infestation, thus ensuring a supply of good quality organic products. We are a wholly owned subsidiary of LT Foods Ltd, which is one of the largest rice companies in India and has a flourishing export to over 60 countries. The history of the company goes back to the year 1993, when less than 10 farming families joined the program. But then onwards, organic families kept on growing and the organic expansion continued with complete dedication. We, the Nature Biofoods Ltd, pioneer in organic business in India, is bringing you the best the nature offers. We ensure to produce each grain sustainably, preserving the purity and all natural goodness inside every ingredient. We are looking forward to providing customers with an extensive product range. And above all, a friendly, enjoyable goodies experience.